I've been hit on the side. I need to go to the hospital. I'm hit. Okay, get inside.
Yeah, can you unlock it? Fuck. What's going on, guys? Hey, what's up? It's Friday. What's up? What's going on? It's Squink here. We're jumping into another one from Police Activity. This one is titled Body Camera Shows Police Fatally Shooting Man in Las Vegas Shootout. This was 7 years ago. So if you'll remember, there was the Vegas shootout. So here we go.
Do you have anything illegal on you? Guns, knives, drugs, anything like that? No? Okay. Why don't you step up? Why do you want me to step out? What's that? Why? Because we're trying to figure out what's going on, why you're sleeping here and stuff like that, and we're getting calls on you. Okay, well, I'm just asking you to step out, man. Really, like, why? Why? Because I'm gonna do my business over here. I don't like doing it over here. You've been fiddling around everywhere. You don't know where your ID's at and stuff like that. So I want you to don't be fiddling around. I know where it's at. Well, I'm telling you, don't be looking around. I'm just looking. Okay, we don't want you to dig around. That's why we're pulling you out of the car. Dude, just get out of the car. Just get out of the car. Come on. Like, come on, dude. Like, really? I'm not doing anything wrong. Okay. Why? We never said anything. You were doing anything wrong. We wanted to do your stuff out here. We wanted. Why? Like, why? Why can't you just tuck me right here? Why can't you just tuck me out here? Like, what the hell? Why don't I get pulled out of my car? Because we don't know what's in here. We're just asking you to come over here. You guys asked for my ID. I got stuff everywhere. Look, I got stuff all over the ground. I got stuff everywhere. Come on, dude. Really? Come on, dude. Like, why are you gonna do that? Just relax, dude. Why are you gonna do that? Just relax. Just come outside. Come on, man. Like, step to the front of the car. I'm not doing anything bad. Okay, then let's go over here and everything will be good. Everything checks out, all right?
I wonder what led them to this guy.
Why? I'm not doing anything bad. I mean, come on. Look, I mean, I know this guy. Do you know this guy? We want to positively identify you. So we want to just come out here and talk to him.
Guys, some advice, real quick advice. If you haven't done anything wrong and the police are telling you to get out of the vehicle, just get out of the vehicle. Please. Literally, if you've done nothing wrong, just get out of the vehicle and it will be over so quickly. And if they violate your rights, then you can sue them. But arguing on the side of the road like this is just not the time and place for it. It's not.
Alright? It's not a big deal. We don't want you digging around. We're going to ID you over here. No, not right now. Right now, in a little bit. I swear to God, it's right here. I have my wallet. I have my... Just step out of the car. Why won't you step out of the car?
Promotion badge.
I'm just saying. It's right here. Look. Stop going in places. Look. Step out of the car, man. Dude, why are you guys trying to get me out of my car, dude?
Because you keep reaching.
For us, we want you out of the car. Hey, stay over there, man. Dude, why? Dude, relax. I'm not doing nothing bad. Yes, you are. You're not listening to our command. Do you want to get tased?
I love when people ask, do you want to get tased? Does anyone want to get tased?
Okay, then come out. Hey, what's out the front of our car, man? Oh, it's because the door's all broken, look. Okay, just open the door. Well, come out. Can we get in that unit? Subject to freezing.
He's reaching. Yep. Fuck, dude. You could see it.
Shots fired. I've been hit. Shots fired.
Look at that.
Listen to our command. Do you want to get tased? Open the door. Well, come out.
Watch him look down in that direction. Watch. Watch him start looking down.
Subject to freezing.
He's reaching. Boom.
Shots fired. I've been hit. Shots fired. I've been hit.
Where'd he get hit? Also, guys, this is why police are always telling people to get the fuck away from, like, the scene. Because if something like this unfolds and they didn't tell you to move away like that dumbass that was standing there, and you die, that's on the PD. Your death is now on the PD because you were too retarded to move the fuck away. Just, guys, listen. Holy shit. It's not that hard.
Units over the channel, 3 Sam 22, 4185 West Hollywood.
Expedite medical, I've been hit.
Acknowledge expediting.
Major cross. Tompkins, east of Barville.
East of.
Where did he get hit, I wonder?
Air 2 4185 West Tompkins. Still be Tompkins to win. Officer 10.
Also, where's the other cop?
I don't know. I've been hit. Sam 22. Hey, are you hit?
I don't think so.
I've been hit on the side. I need to go to the hospital. I'm hit. Okay, get inside.
Yeah, can you unlock it? Fuck.
Oh, fuck, dude, I'm hitting the side.
Where's he at? Where's Dan?
Dan's in front of the car.
Okay, where's our bad guy?
I'm having trouble breathing.
Where's our bad guy?
He's in the truck.
Okay, you still in there? I got you, brother.
We can't. Oh fuck! This is a hairy situation because you can't just leave the suspect. That's why I'm wondering where the other cop is. Like, where the fuck is everyone? This is in metropolitan Las Vegas. Why is no one swarming this situation right now?
You're good. You're okay, man.
Why are you...
Relax.
They should have kept control of this arm.
Just step to the front of the car, man.
Anything. Okay.
Yeah, we never said you
over here and everything will be good. Everything checked out, all right? No. Like, why? I'm not doing anything bad. I mean, come on. Look, I mean, I know this guy.
We want to positively identify
What a
you, so
piece
we
of
want-
shit.
Just come out here and talk to me. All right?
Since you can't find your wallet, we don't want you digging around. We're going to ID you over here.
Look, no, not right now. Right here. It's right here. I swear to God, it's right here.
That is why he didn't want to open the door, ladies and gentlemen, because there was a gun in the fucking car door.
It's right here. Look. Stop going in places. Look.
But you know, if these cops hadn't been racist, then they just fucking blah 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 blah. Shut the fuck up.
Step out of the car, man.
Dude, why are you guys trying to get me out of my car, dude?
Because it's safer for us, we want you out of the car. Hey, stay over there, man.
Dude, why?
Just relax.
I'm not doing nothing
Yes,
bad.
you are. You're not listening to our command.
Do you want to get tased? No, I don't want to get tased. Okay,
Then just open the door and just step the...
Funny how the ones that scream racism the loudest or start questioning the police the loudest are the ones who are actually hiding things. We've seen it in all of these videos. All of them. All of them. Every single one of them.
in front of our car,
Yep,
man.
people still don't understand.
Because the door's all broken, look.
Okay, just open the door, man.
Come out.
Patrol 3 Sam 22, shots fired.
There's now a major crossfire issue in this situation because you had one officer run in front of the vehicle and then you had the one that was hit run behind the vehicle. So now, if there comes a point where they need to start firing on the suspect, they're going to be firing rounds towards each other. And that's not good.
Acknowledge all units over the channel, 3 Sam 22, 4185 West Tompkins. Expert medical has been hit. Acknowledge expediting.
Major cross.
Tompkins, Arville.
Major
Keep going.
cross. meaning major crossfire. Or cross traffic on the radio.
Which one, channel? Air 24185 West
Where's he at?
Seriously.
Tompkins and Wyatt. Officers hit.
My partner or the gun suspect? Get away! Get covered! Get away!
Yeah, I understand the civilian wanting to be helpful and shit, but not a situation to be... no one wants to be a part of this situation right now, so just... civilians especially need to back up.
Compact 7, good day. 1042. Hey, are you hit?
I don't think so.
That's the one.
Damn, boys.
I can be on the side.
Get inside the business! Get inside the business!
Okay, so they did a decent job. I'd love to know what brought them to that guy. Oh, this was not related to that Las Vegas hotel shooting like I thought. Completely unrelated. So the 25-year-old Miguel Salas did die from a fatal shot to the head. So they did return fire and end up shooting him and killing him. But when you pull a gun on the police, it no longer becomes a race issue. It no longer becomes what's going on here type situation. Anything that happened before that kind of doesn't matter. When you shoot at the police, you have now opened yourself up to being shot by the police. And that's just the way it is. If you meet police with lethal resistance, they are going to meet you exactly there. And if you die, don't be dumb. Alright, see you tonight for Squink Advises Reddit. See ya!